So let's go guys, start the video. And the first is Lamborghini Duo Huracan and BMW M4 and M3 competition. There is an Audi R8 in yellow, amazing boys reaction. Maserati and his full touch on barrier. BMW M340 versus Mercedes versus Defender. Let's go. Mustang in white, amazing. There is an BMW M4 in black. BMW M340 Duo, amazing. There is an Mercedes SLS in white and is stopped in front of cameras and rave. Amazing man, amazing. Let's go. Yeah, public reaction. This is one of one Porsche. Can you guess the name of this Porsche? This is an Porsche, and there is also Porsche GT3 RS, one of one Manthey kit. And there is also Porsche in red. Let's go, man. Boys reaction. Manthey kit, amazing. And one more Porsche. And Ferrari 296 in the red. Always Ferrari look better in red color. Mercedes, Lamborghini Huracan in black, Lamborghini Huracan in blue. Amazing man. Lamborghini Huracan. The owner name is Lauren. BMW Porsche 911. One more Porsche. Let's go. There is a Porsche GT3 RS, a Lamborghini Gallardo in green. Let's go. Let's end the video.